Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another episode of the Kenyan Creative. Today we are gonna be creating a poster that you can embed a video in it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do without wasting time, let's search for an Instagram quote story. Alright, so I'm gonna search for that, and you'll be able to see these are actually part of the results. This is Canva, but remember, as I always say, use the software that you have experience with. And remember, it's not about the software, it's about your skills. So as you can see, this is now the results that you are seeing here, and we're gonna pick just any that is best suited for our needs today. Today we are making a poster that you can embed a video in it. Right, so I'm seeing there are a lot of things here, and it seems there is no perfect template, but what we're gonna do, we're gonna create from scratch. So okay, so I can see here that I'm not actually getting the results that I want, but we can take like this one. This one looks actually nice. This one looks nice. So let's search for profile. All right, let's search for profile so that we get the best results. Let's search for Instagram profile. Instagram profile video story. All right, so Instagram profile video. All right, so as you can see, this is actually an Instagram profile video. So okay, so you can see the results here. I'm not actually impressed by these results, but anyway, let's just work from scratch. All right, now I think I can see something. Yeah, this is nice. This is what I'm looking for. So let's click on this one, and then we are gonna select on customize template. But before we do that, it kind of eventually gives you something that looks familiar to what you have already clicked, and as you can see, you're seeing some familiar designs. All right, so in this case, let's just go with this one. I think it's okay. Click on customize template, and it takes me to a new tab where I can now edit it based on my tastes, and also change the details depending on what I want. So in this case, let's first of all adjust and write this is an Instagram video. Remember to always rename your project. It helps in getting to know or search. When you're searching, it's easier. All right, so what I'm going to do here, I want to adjust this so that it is reading the Kenyan Creative. So I'm going to adjust this one to the Kenyan Creative. All right, then our username is also at the Kenyan Creative. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna change this. You can see here, this is the profile picture. So I'm gonna come here and add go to the uploads and add my logo. All right, so this is my logo. Drag it like that, black one, nice. So right, so I think in the news today, maybe we can just say you can now add music to your Instagram profile. All right, so you can see this is actually a video, and this video is not relevant to this information, so we're gonna search for a video that is relevant to this information. So I'm looking for a video that is music, so I go to elements and then search for music, and then I'm gonna go to videos, and I can drag something like this one. All right, so maybe add that one. Right, that's looking very nice. So you see it's gonna play, and then maybe we can adjust this if we want to change, but I don't want to. Let me delete this one. So you can see this is actually now a video that has been embedded on our Instagram. This is actually looks like in an Instagram profile video. All right, so we have embedded this video into this Instagram profile like poster. So you can see how easy it is to actually do this. Now I think this is actually not the right size for an Instagram story. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna come here and resize, click on resize and magic switch, and then go to resize as Instagram story, click on it, and then press continue. And then in order to retain this one and have a new one, you need to press copy and resize. So you're gonna have the two versions, all right, this one and the new size that you have on. So let's click on open your story, and as you can see now it has resized our video into the size that we wanted, and that is the story version. Now I'm sure that you've actually come across pages that are actually doing this. You know, they are displaying their name, their username, their logo, and a bit of information, and then there's a video embedded in it. So this is how you do it. You see, we have actually done it in very few minutes. So you can also change this background maybe to be white so that there is not too much contraction. As you can see, this is how it's gonna look like. All right, if you want to add a few elements here, for example, we can come here and search for let's search for what? Let's search for like. Let's search for like. All right, and see there's actually some goods. Yeah, you see I can add this one here, put it right here. All right, put it somewhere like there. I can also look for share as an element and put it down. All right, like this one is mostly popular on Instagram, so put this one here, this one, put it somewhere here. And of course it's always good to align things, so I want them to be the same size as the lag, and I'm gonna drag it to here. All right, something like that. If you want to add your social media handles here at the end, you can always add. For example, come here and add gonna add Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. Yes, we're gonna add those ones, so that at least we can tell people to follow us on the other social media handles. So you can see actually we are actually making very good progress. So you have so much information here, the video, and then the like and the share, which is actually gonna be communicating actually to the audience that you can actually like this video and share it. And then we're gonna be adding our social media handles here at the bottom. I'm thinking this thing is actually spicing up things, but I'm gonna delete it. I just want it to be plain like that. All right, so white, not too many colors. I think that's okay. So let's add our social media handles. So I'm gonna search for YouTube and click on this one. I think it looks okay. So that one I'm gonna reduce the size and drag it to the bottom like that, put it somewhere like that, and then go for Instagram. Search for a good Instagram logo like this one, looks nice to me. Then reduce the size and make sure it fits actually to like this one. I think that's okay. And then let's search now for Facebook. Let's search for Facebook. All right. Whoa, I don't know what's happening, but anyway, this is part of all right, so let's search for Facebook logo, and we're gonna click on this one, and as you can see we can actually drag it here and reduce the size like that. That's what we're gonna have. Remember, the spacing is gonna be equal. Then you select all of them, group them, and then position them to the center. All right, so you're gonna check whether all these things are actually on the center, and as you can see, they're all looking nice. So I think everything is done now, and so you can see if we actually put it in full screen, you can actually see this is how the end result looks like. So you can see it's displaying your relevant information, and the video is also playing. So this is how to embed your video into an Instagram like poster. All right, so that's quite easy, and I hope you've learned something. Remember to like, share, and subscribe so that we can reach more people. Subscribe so that we can actually be able to be recommended to other users. Remember to like, also comment, let me know what you'd like to know more, or how we can help you. Remember, we are here to learn and share together. So that's it for today, guys. See you in the next video.